name is James Benavides. I work for $1 Move. Just here today to introduce myself to you. I'm a very experienced agent. I'm not like your average apartment locator. I don't just give you a list and make you go on your own or make you call on your own, unless of course you like to do that. But I drive you around to every property that you'd like to see. I can find you the best specials I can possibly find you. I do work with everything from 100% good credit, bad credit, misdemeanors, felonies, broken leases, evictions, you name it. And I will do everything in my power to save you as much money as I can. And not only do I do that, but also I give you free movers. Like you're about to see, my movers are licensed, bonded, and insured, so they'll take care of you every step of the way. All that I ask is that you come see me at my office at 7419 Callahan Road, or call me on my cell phone 210-777-7942, or text me, whatever works easier for you. I don't care if it rents $400, I don't care if it's $5, $6, $7, $10,000, whatever it is, I will give you my free movers, and you will love it. They're going to take care of you every step of the way. Just watch the next video that I have for you just to show you an example. Thank you, and I look forward to helping you out. I do work from 9 a.m. to midnight, so please give me a call whenever you have a chance, and I'll be taking you out in this car right here, or in this car right here. So thank you very much for looking at my ads, and I'll be looking forward to meeting you soon.